Hi, welcome back to Taste and See. Today I am making French grilled cheese. After browning both sides, I'm adding my Dill Havarti cheese. I love the way it melts. It's like very stringy when it melts. Now I'm going to place a lid over the skillet to melt the cheese more from the heat of the hot pan. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering just from editing this video. I have to make this sandwich again. It was pretty tasty. I really enjoyed it. Well, I enjoyed the sandwich. It was delicious. You should try to make it. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Take care.